Hi everyone, my name is Narasimha. Today we will try to solve LeetCode 34 problem of find first and last position of element in sorted array. Okay, coming to the problem statement, given an array of integers numbers sorted in non-descending order, that is nothing but ascending order. The array is in ascending order. Find the starting and ending position of a given target value. Okay, we will be assigned with an array and target value, and we need to find the target first and last position of the target value in that array. If the target is not found in the array, return -1. Okay, you must write an algorithm with order of log n runtime complexity. Okay, array, for example, uh, array is containing 5 7 7 8 and 8 and 10. The target will be value is 8. Now we need to find the first index and last index of the 8. Okay, 0 1 2 3. Starting index is 3 and the ending index is 4. Okay, same like that, 6 is the target value and the array is same. But 6 is not present in the array, so we need to return -1. Okay, empty array, target is 0, return -1. Okay, let's see the topic, array and binary search. Binary search is nothing but mm, this is the, if we are having a total array, a binary search means 2. Binary means 2. it, it divides one part into 2, means entire array is divided into halves. Search for element is we will search for left side or right side based on the condition, and based on the required value we will search only in the left side or only in the right side. And if we go into the left side, again the total left side will be divided into two halves and checks for another condition. Okay, like that, it will break full part into half part. At a time it reduces half of the iterations. Means checking one by one means it may take a lot of time. Checking only half and again in that half means may take less time. Okay. Okay, we'll write in this binary search code. Okay, it is expecting output in the list, first index and first last index. Okay, let us uh, let us consider a list that is out, uh, containing -1, initially -1 for index. Okay, out of 0 means in the first index, means first index is what it contains, the first occurrence of the target in the list. Okay, that is, let us create a function called first. It will pass the numbers list, comma, target to that. Okay, so this is in the class now, so self is the default variable. Okay, out of 1, that is last occurrence of the target value in the numbers, that is equal to self dot last. We'll create a last function that will pass the numbers, comma, target. Okay, or return the list, out list. Create a function called first 5 or st first. Okay, it will accept self default in numbers, comma, tar, 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 target. Oh, sorry man, get. Okay, uh, let us create another function, last self, comma, numbers, comma, target. Okay, first we write the logic to first thing. Okay, lower bound will be equal to 0. The upper bound will be equal to 1. Length of numbers minus 1. Okay, uh, let us store the answer in the answer. Initial answer will be -1. Y lower is less than or equal to upper. Okay, until the lower is less than or equal to, here what we will do is calculate the mid equal to lower plus upper divided by 2. We will find the mid value. So we'll check the condition. If okay, numbers of mid equal to if the numbers of mid value is equal to um, target target, so answer will be stored in mid value is stored in answer, and what we'll do, we'll do a paint, paint. Let us consider an example called this. Okay, let us consider this example. Target. Okay, first index, the indexes will be 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be the indexes. And the first function, lower, lower will be 0. Okay, lower will be equal to 0. Higher, the upper is equal to length minus 1, that is 4. So we need to find the mid equal to 4 by 2 means 2. 4 by 2 means 2. Okay, that is nothing but this is 0, 1, 2. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Okay, that is 2. To mid numbers of 2 is equal to target or not? No, it is not equal to target. So uh, numbers of 2 is, that is not equal to target. Okay, target and checking, you need to check else if target is less than numbers. Okay, here else if target is less than numbers of mid, means target is left side of mid, means uh, upper bound will be changed to mid minus 1. Okay, else else um else what it means, else it will be in the right side. Okay, so lower bound will be mid plus 1. So here what we check means when the target is matched with the mid value, suppose 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 5, uh, suppose let us consider another 3. Okay, 4 5 8 9 9. Okay, 9 values equal 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. This, suppose this is a mid and this is not the first occurrence, so mid is matched with the target, but this is not the first occurrence. Mid is matched with the target, but this is not the first occurrence. This is the first occurrence. So what we'll tell, then we'll store, uh, maybe this is the first occurrence, we will store this index. May or may not be this, may or may not be the first occurrence, so we'll store this mid mid index in one variable called answer. And uh, what when we found it, we need to find the first occurrence, so we will go into the left side. So upper bound equal to mid minus 1. Forcefully we are trying to only access with the left side. No, forcefully we are pushing to the left side, because when if we go to the right side means this is the first occurrence. If we go for this side, what will we get? We will get nothing. So if we go to the left side, if there is any chance to get another one that matches to this index, so we will get the answer first index. So we will go to the left side. Forcefully we are pushing it into the left side. Okay, after finalizing all these operations, are written answer. So okay, same like this, we'll write the logic to the last index. Okay, last index of the target value will lower will be equal to 0, and upper will be length of numbers minus 1. Same answer will store in equal to minus 1. Why lower is less than or equal to upper, we'll go to the we'll find the mid equal to lower case upper by 2. If numbers of mid value equal to target, means that is matched with the target, and answer will store the answer index in the answer. And forcefully we will move to the right side, because already if we found or we not if we are not found, If we are not found, we'll check the condition. If we found, uh, if we found, we'll um, what will be the last index will be in the only right side. Now if we found 3, suppose for the same example, if we found 3 and we are trying to find the last index, means we will go forcefully move to the right side. Okay, or else if this is not match, we'll check the condition. If the mid is less than or right, and if the mid is less than the given target, we'll move to the right side, or if the mid is greater than the target, we'll move to the left side. Okay, okay, same logic. We'll forcefully move towards the left side, so left equal to mid plus 1. Forcefully moving to the left side. Else if okay, so target is less than numbers of mid, means the mid is target is left side of the mid value, means upper bound will be changed to 8 minus 1. Same logic. Else if no, else is enough. So lower bound equal to mid plus 1. So after that we will return the answer. Okay, after writing we will see the code. Okay, we need to return list containing two variables. Okay, when we call the first index to the first occurrence of the element, target element in the numbers, and last will be doing operation last occurrence of the target element in the numbers. Okay, okay, just I will just up on the top I will tell what is what. Okay, for example this, we are given with the numbers array, this element. Okay, numbers list. On the target value we say first, suppose 0 1 2 3 4 5. uh, low First of all we are finding the first index of the element. So this is the case. That is the case. The middle value will be this 7, and 7 is equal to target. No, so 7 is not equal to the target. So next what we will do means, the we will 7 is target is less than numbers of 5. No, target 8 is less than 7. No, this is false statement. So you upper bound will be equal to, so this false statement it will not enter into this loop, and it goes to the else block, and lower will be here and upper will be here. Same 0 1 2 3. 3 lower equal to 3, upper equal to 5. 3 plus 5 8. 3 plus 5 how much? 8. Okay, 3 plus 5 8. 8 by 2 means 4. 0 1 2 3 4. So this is the mid value now. Okay, we are checking the mid value after looking once again. Lower will be 3 5, upper will be 5. So mid will be how much? 4 4 4 numbers of 4, that is 8 is equal to target as target is equal to 8. So it will store the index value for upper bound will be changed forcefully changing to the left side, because we need to find the left index. So forcefully we are decreasing the upper bound to up here to here. Means mid, this is upper bound equal to mid minus 1, that is here. This is upper bound is here and lower bound is also there. So when go to this statement, lower bound is 3, upper bound is 3. So mid will be 3, and mid is matched to the target, and the answer again stores it overwrites with index 3. So an upper bound will be minus mid minus 1, that is 2. Here condition fails. So this is how the first index worked, and same as to the second last element. So thank you for listening. Have you understood? Thank you for listening to me.